Hey y'all. Well, it's kind of cold today, and they're talking about 3 inches of snow down by my place, and Kenny's supposed to get around 6. But we figure we better come down here and hit the triangle field again before it's too late. But we've had some rain on it. It's showing quite a bit more flint, and I just picked this up a few minutes ago, a little broken corner notch. Come walking about 10 feet further, got something there, and got something right there. I'm pretty sure this is broke. Oh no, it ain't. Or is it? Oh no, yeah, doggone it. Just a tip. Nice one though. Let's cross our fingers here. I bet you. No, it ain't. Yeah, let me wipe that off a little bit. Look at that. Shoot, man. You just find that?
Yeah.
Well, I'll be doggone. That's on about 20, 30 feet. Yeah, Kenny's got a little triangle besides that, and I got a crude knife. But we'll get back to you if we find anything else. And there's a little broken piece of a triangle, the tip in that. Oh well. Hopefully we'll find something else. We'll talk to you. Bye. You might have caught me with a potty mouth. Kenny's got him one down there, right there. And he was scratching around in here. We'll get a little shot of this one, trying to block the wind off it. Yeah. And there's a base.
Piece of pottery there too.
A piece of pottery. That'd have been a big old triangle there. Wow. There you go, there's another one.
Tool.
That is a tool. It's a pretty nice one too. That fire pop one.
Yeah. Yeah,
this stuff is. I'll just walk right along here just for a second, see if I can find something you missed. But it's windy. I'm trying to block it off. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I know you can now because I got a big mouth. But anyhow, there's just gravel collecting in all these ditches. Look at that flint laying there. There's flint all in here. Broken tool laying there. Alright, well, I'll get back to looking here. If we find anything, we'll show you. Well, looks like you might have walked on up on something. There's a tool right there. I come walking over to look at a flake that I seen there, and I got something right there, I believe. I hope it's complete. I did wiggle it a little bit. It's a skinny one. Oh my, it's missing the tip. That's all it's missing is the tip. Look how thin that thing is, and man, what's aerations. That's a toothy little thing there. Well, Bevel Wade, you was wanting to see the toothy ones. There's one. Alright, well, Kenny, when I was poking at this one, I'll take 2 steps. He goes, there's one there. So let's tool or drill or something. No, it's a broken drill. Broken paddle drill, just missing the tip. Let's see if I can get another one. There's another one. I'll be doggone. Yep, just barely missing the tip. Just the tip of the triangle there. I'll be doggone. That's within 3 foot.
It's a toothy one.
Oh well. Alright, well, we find something else. Seems like we're hitting spots of the field and you see no flakes, and then next thing you know, it turns in, you start seeing fire rock, and bam, there they are.
That would have been pretty.
Yeah, that would have been cool. Alrighty, well, we'll get back with you if we see anything. Here's a show of all of Kenny's little brokes and stuff. He just found that one while waiting on me to come walking over here. I thought that almost looked like one right over there.
flakes everywhere.
It's a flake. There's a flake here, but he's got a real nice corner notch here.
Oh yeah.
That's a pretty little one, buddy.
There's some tiny notches on it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice piece. One of the better ones today. Cool beans. All right, well, you know the routine. I seen something that looked stupid, but it was a piece of pottery. All right, well, at least the wind's giving us a break a little bit. If we get any more, we'll show you. Bye. Well, I guess you're all gonna have to hang around for the cleanup, because we are finding some stuff today. We've got a bunch of broken triangles. Got some really nice, well-made tools. Got a few little points like this. And got a broken celt. And a few other things. But we're gonna keep on going. We're in an area that we have never looked. And yeah, for a little bit there, Kenny was like, I got another one. I got another one. I just found 3 broken triangles within 10 foot. But we'll show you when we get some more. All right, bye now. Well, I'm hoping this one's whole. I can only see about 3/4 of it. Forgot to get my other glove off here. Let me pull it off. Little crude, a little rough, but come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. It's old, but man, it's thick. I found a couple of thick triangles like that so far, too. So, hopefully, we'll find a few more. All right. If we do, we'll get back with you. Well, my camera just fell out of my jacket about 2 or 3 minutes ago, and I come over here to see Kenny. He just found out a little broken, but he has got a smoker laying right here. Look at that thing there. That is a beautiful one, buddy. Oh, heck yeah. That's a nice one. Good job. That's the best triangle we've found so far today. All right, well, we'll show you if we get more. Well, you all want to know why I find more, or Kenny finds more stuff than me? Well, now he's walking back over here. Here's what he found in the last, not even 10 minutes. Just right in this one area. It's got another smoker laying down here. She is, man. She's complete. Nice. Alrighty. Well, we'll hope we get back to you. Looks like we might. Alright, bye. Well, Kenny just found a couple of triangles broke. And he's got a really nice corner notch down here in the ground. Hope the tips, oh no. Yes, sir, that's a side notch anyhow. Probably a little Jack's Reefer. Alright, well, we'll try to find some more. Kenny's killing me. I got one over where my stick is, and I'm gonna have to come over here and see something right there too, but I'll wait on it. Oh, that's a little bitty triangle there. Right there. Oh yeah. Sweet. What that one used the brokens look like? Oh, you already stick in your pocket?
Yeah, dude.
Well, let me see if I can retrace my steps here. What's that right there?
Chunky.
That's a chunky tool. Yeah, well, let's walk back over here and see if I can look up for a second and find my stick. I thought I had something there. Hang on, we gotta check this here out. Nope. Wait. Maybe a broke. Yep, that's broke. Pretty crude, but it's broke. This is a pretty nice little triangle over here. Hang on, another flake here. I just hope the base is complete. I mean, it's kind of hidden. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a complete one. If I can get it in camera.
Let me wipe them off.
Here. It's kind of hard to do that holding the camera and stuff. Alrighty. Good, I finally got a decent triangle. Alright. Nope, not your pocket, my pocket, remember?
Oh, I thought that was mine.
Alright. I hope we'll be back. Well, back again. I want you to go over by a triangle for a second. I'm gonna stand between these. Got a little corner notch right there sticking out. And right there, he's got a triangle. How you are finding all these things?
Broken.
It's broke, it's just a tip. Man, look how big that tip is. Well, I don't know if I'm keeping the wind off it or not. Alright, I'm on the wrong side. Let's switch sides. So this wind's not the most favorable.
Hopefully this one's whole.
Yeah, no doubt. Most of it's buried. Give it a finger job.
He's there.
Oh yeah, man, that's a little sharpened down thing, but it's nice. Yes, sirree. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Let's try to find some more. Alright. I'm really getting tired of this. I'm gonna have to leave my spot to come over and film his stuff. And I tell you what, you ought to be able to find them laying right out on top. I hope the heck that thing's got that base.
Oh yeah.
My goodness. Look at that little birdie.
Got a stack on
That's
it.
a sweet one. Okay, if you don't like it because it's got stacked, you can put it in my hand.
Nah, I'm good.
I thought you were. Alrighty. Well, I'm going to quit saying that. I'm just going to say okay and just close the camera. Okay. Well, here we are. We're back into the ramp. This camera's kind of messing up because it don't want to stay in focus. Probably because it's cold, but these are all mine. Over here, got a few triangles. Got a bunch of broken triangles. Got some corner notches, etc., etc. A couple broken drills. Broken celt. Shaky because it's cold. But there's a few tools that I kept today. Ain't a ton of them, but a few. Some pretty decent ones. Dan Kenny's. Triangles. And some corner notches and a side notch. There's all his broken triangles. Bunch of mixed up stuff and tools and such like that. Then a bunch of broken stuff there. A few tips. Some scrapers. Real nice tip there. But I wonder if I can find it, I'm going to show you the best tip that he had. Where's that real pretty one? Oh, right there. Nope. Ain't it? Real pointy one. Now, that big one, man. The needle tip right there. This thing here would have been a smoker. That sucker is thin as I don't know what. It's way thinner than a cracker. But it's pretty long. Oh well. It's another day on the triangle field. So if we get out again, which we're gonna have to wait on some getting sleet today. Kenny's supposed to get about 6 inches of snow up by his place. And then we're supposed to get like 3. Here's a piece of pottery that I had to bring with me. It's got a crease going down the middle of it. Kind of comes to a point. Thought that's pretty cool. But anyhow, from us in the Triangle Field, we will see you later. Just to give you a little shot of how good this field's been to us, this is just my finds from today. All these are brokes, 3 rows of them. There's a couple going the other way. And then here's all my complete ones. Are almost complete. That second one there's got a little nick off the tip. But that's from today. And then here's the tools from today. There's a broken celt up the top. And there's that crazy looking piece of pottery. Alright, well, I hope you guys are smoking them out there, because it's lots of fun when you're finding them. This isn't something I'm used to, but I hope you're finding some killers, and if not, when it snows out of here, if you're from this area, I hope you get on them. Alright, take care. Thanks for your views and comments. Like always. Alright, y'all take care. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.